Birds of Prey tickets. No one is buying. So shocked I am. This outcome, out of nowheres, it came. Foreseen this result, and anyone, how could have they? On sale. Birds of Prey tickets actually went Wednesday. 3 tickets, which saw me scoop up an hour about after they went on sale. Oh my. You poor thing. The theater. I was expecting to be nearly sold out. Sold out. The theater. Checked I have tonight to see how many sold tickets there were. Only 2 other tickets, to my surprise, have been sold. Wish for you to imagine I do. A reality where regular people, upon this film poster, they gaze, and to themselves, they think, wow, really good this looks. Purchase a ticket, I might to see it. From a big city, since I am not, in New York City and Los Angeles, I decided to check theaters. Sold. Only 7 Birds of Prey tickets have been. You know, if think about it, you do. 7, a lucky number that is. Perhaps looking up for things this film is. What you think of the movie, regardless. Buying tickets, females aren't. Buying tickets, woke culture is not. Buying tickets, Harley Quinn fans are not. Buying tickets, Batman fans sure as heck are not. Into my crotch, a hammer smashing down I'd rather experience than watching 5 minutes of Birds of Prey. Confident I am that less painful the hammer would be. As bad as Charlie's Angels, hopefully things aren't, as which on opening weekend bombed with 8 million. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba!